Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are discussing a very important topic. Can India become a global semiconductor hub? This topic is extremely important for SSB group discussion, lecturate and interview. So let's understand it in a simple and clear way within a few minutes. Semiconductors are tiny chips that power almost every modern device. Smartphones, laptops, cars, 5G networks, defense systems, satellites, and electric vehicles. Without semiconductors, modern technology cannot function. That is why semiconductors are often called the new oil of the 21st century. India's electronics and digital ecosystem is growing rapidly. However, India imports almost all of its semiconductors. This creates high dependency, high cost, and supply chain risk. So, India aims to build its own semiconductor ecosystem from design to manufacturing and packaging to reduce imports and become globally competitive. To achieve this goal, the government launched the India Semiconductor Mission, also known as ISM. It has massive budget of rupees 76,000 crore. The mission includes 50% financial support for building chip fabrication plants, incentives for OSAT and packaging units, design linked incentives for chip design startups and companies, support for global semiconductor companies to invest in India. Several major projects have already been approved, like Tata and Powerchip, Taiwan in Gujarat, SCL and Foxconn Semiconductor Project, new fabs in Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, and Punjab. These projects indicate that India is serious about developing its semiconductor industry. India has several strong advantages. First is large domestic market. India's demand for electronics is huge and growing. Second, strong chip design talent. India is already a global hub for semiconductor design. Third, geopolitical support. Countries want to diversify their supply chains beyond China, and India is a trusted partner. Fourth, competitive cost. Skilled engineers are available at competitive cost, which attracts companies. However, becoming a semiconductor hub is not easy. India faces some major challenges. First, high cost of fabrication. Building a semiconductor fab requires billions of dollars. Second, advanced technology gap. Countries like Taiwan and South Korea produce advanced chips 3 nanometer, 5 nanometer. India will start with mature nodes like 28 nanometer. Third, shortage of highly skilled manpower. Chip fabrication requires specialized technical experts. Fourth, infrastructure requirements. Fabrications need uninterrupted power, high purity water, and world class clean rooms. Fifth, heavy dependency on imports. Machines, chemicals, and gases for chip manufacturing are mostly important today. In the next 5 to 10 years, India can become strong in chip packaging, testing, mature node chip manufacturing, chip design. In the long term, over the next decade, India can also enter advanced chip manufacturing if policies remain consistent, skill development continues, and supply chains become local. To conclude, India definitely has the potential to become a semiconductor hub. The government is investing heavily, companies are coming in, and demand is rising rapidly. However, success will depend on long term planning, skill development, and reliable infrastructure. So, the ideal SSB answer is India has strong potential to become a semiconductor hub, but it requires consistent effort, technology partnerships, and strategic execution. Thank you for watching. If you want more SSB focus current affairs explanation in simple English, comment below. All the best for your SSB preparation. Jai Hind.